Hi, I'm Karen for Expert Village. Now I'll show you how to sew a button on using a sewing machine. First we're going to mark where our button will be placed. So put the garment where you want, how you want it to be, and put a marking pencil through the buttonhole and give it a good twist so that you have a nice mark. I'm going to unzip these to make it a little easier to access the place that we're sewing our button on. I'm going again to use a little bit of double stick tape, just a little bit. In fact, I'm going to use even half of that piece and stick that onto your mark, and then put the button onto the double stick tape like that. Now the button will stay in place while you're putting it on the machine. Okay, let me show you how to adjust your machine to put a button on. First, you need it to be a 0 stitch length. Mine goes with a dial. I'm all the way up to the top. We do not want the feed dog to move at all. Some machines you can disengage the feed dog. If you can do that, do that. Mine I'm just going to put to a 0 stitch length. And then up here we're going to use a zigzag, and we're going to use about a 3 zigzag. We may change that depending upon the space between the size of the holes, and I'll show you when we might change that. So you want a 3 to 4 stitch width and a 0 stitch length.